Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Monday, the beginning of the week. Shopping is done. Yada, yada, yada. Yesterday, twofold. Actually, it was kind of a busy day. Yesterday, I started with bread pudding. I made bread pudding years and years ago. It was a big hit. Could not find my original recipe, so I did my research and found a couple recipes. Looked at them, compared, so forth, blah, blah, blah. So I picked the one that I did yesterday. It turned out wonderful. I can't bake bread for crap, but I can bake basically a custard. But bread pudding is simple. I love the first description, or in the method, the instructions. Take the first 10 ingredients, put them in a bowl, and mix. Simple. That simple. I think anybody can do that. If I can do it, you can do it. All right, so got the bread pudding done. The house smelled wonderful. The cinnamon and the nutmeg just permeates the air in the house, and just, oh yeah, yum, 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 yum. And the vanilla. I use Mexican vanilla. I smuggle it in with my brother-in-law. He goes down there all the time for mission trips, so I get the good stuff. So, the house smelled great. So, while the bread pudding was in the oven, I actually did mise en place and prep for the basic chicken noodle soup. Because I actually filmed the creation, or the making of, a basic chicken noodle soup. I used canned chicken and basic egg noodles, and a frozen mixed vegetable blend. It's very basic. Just three herbs, and just 3 herbs in it, and blah 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 blah. So the filming went good. I'm going to be putting that together, and that's actually going to be part of the Young People's and Beginners series. I will share the link as soon as it's all done, because it's going to reside on YouTube, not on Facebook. I will have both of the recipes from the bread pudding and the basic chicken noodle soup posted up in the Casual Chef group this morning, after I get the edit done on this. And so the chicken noodle soup ended up being very good. We wiped it out. Robin had just a little bit left, enough for her to take to work today. I don't think she's going to be sharing it, because I don't think there's enough. But there's no leftover soup. So today, I am doing my Cerdo Mexicano tacos. Pork tacos. I don't know if cerdo is the word for pork. I don't know. I don't speak Spanish. I do my best with enchilada and taco and burrito and salsa. So, let's get to it. There's the hardware. We're starting off with about a pound of pork, which I'll be cutting up. I'm going to dice up a little bit of red onion. And this is the fun part. The spice and herb blend. Again, this is my creation. Smoked paprika, chipotle chili powder, cumin powder, Mexican sweet basil, Mexican oregano, from the local spicery, just a touch of their cinnamon. I'm using fresh cilantro. I'm using what we call here in the house the baby tortillas. We'll top that off with some shredded cheddar cheese, sour cream for Robin, and some fresh roasted salsa from one of my favorite salsa makers. And of course, kosher salt, black pepper, a little bit of olive oil, and a touch of red wine to top it off. So that's what I've got going on today. Super easy, basic, but yummy. Yes. Actually, I forgot one thing. There's supposed to be garlic in that. Oops. All right. Can I read? No. I've only got a college education. All right. I want to clarify something from yesterday and the week before. I've used the term, it was good or not bad when I go shopping. Generally, what that means, it means two things. The store was not busy because we go early. We try to get to Bel Air before 9 on the weekends to beat the crowds. And two, the last 2 weeks, it's because our food bill has been at a very reasonable rate. I typically don't discuss money or the price of things or inflation or even if it's healthy or unhealthy. But the last 2 weeks, I have done a really good job at keeping our food bill, our weekly food bill, down to a reasonable rate. So with a little bit of shopping and prep, and I mean prep as in shopping lists and recipes, that I have been able the last couple of weeks to keep our weekly food bill down. So everybody's struggling, everybody has a hard time, but I try not to dwell on that in Casual Chef's Kitchen. I want Casual Chef's Kitchen to be a happy place. Okay? So, have a great Monday. Eat great food. And always have fun cooking. Phenomena.